Hey everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be an unusual day in my life. Unusual because today is going to be very relaxing, very chill pill and cute kind of a day. Usually my day is filled with a lot of shooting, filming and hell lot of editing. Today I don't have anything to film other than filming this video, and I have finished all my work yesterday night. I worked till 3 a.m. so that I can relax today, and I woke up really late today at 10 a.m. and I am not guilty about it. So yeah, this is how I started my morning. It is currently 10:20 a.m. right now, and I am just trying to move my body and exercise a little bit. Now I don't do workout, but I still try to move my body in the morning because I feel like this is very important and it gives us that energy for the rest of the day. After exercising, I took some time to myself and then I came downstairs to make myself cold coffee, and I love using Milkmaid in my coffee. Also, I don't feel like making any breakfast today, so I am just going to have this cake. This was in our fridge for the longest time, so I felt like having it. Also, I don't have any work or editing to do right now, so I was just scrolling my own Instagram feed today, and I'll drop my ID on the screen if you guys are interested. Once I was done with my breakfast, I started prepping for lunch, like cutting onions, garlic and all, as it was already very late, and I am making chicken kosha today, and I am going to cook that in this cast iron karai from Agaro. I recently bought this for my mom just because I have stolen her favorite bed sheet, but look at it, it looks so pretty and classy. It comes with a glass lid and has capacity of 4.3 liter, and as always we can cook it in gas as well as in induction oven, and as it is made with cast iron, it gets heat up really fast. I love how my mom cooks chicken kosha. It is like the best thing ever, and I am going to do it exactly like hers. For that, I am just frying the potatoes first. Also, the kadai comes with this leather cover for the handle, so we can hold it easily while cooking even if it gets hot. And with that, my potatoes are ready. Now let's do rest of the magic. Oh my god, it is almost done, and look how tempting and delicious it is looking. I am becoming fan of my own cooking skill. Now that the cooking is done, I'm gonna go upstairs to clean my room and change the bed sheet. And today I'm going to show you the most prettiest bed sheet ever. This is my mom's, and she has been saving it for like years from my childhood, and I had my eye on it ever since. Finally I got my hands on it, and just wait for it, my room is going to look 10x prettier, and it is literally going to change the whole vibe of my room. So this is how my room is looking right now, and I am planning to give my room a whole makeover. Honestly, it is looking so boring and dull to me, and I'll make a separate room makeover video for that. But if you guys have any suggestion or advice, do let me know in the comments. And today's plan is to remove all these paintings and posters from the wall and clean it. Oh my god, my room is looking so empty and blank right now, but I am happy because I have other plans for it. Now let's just sit and do some editing. Also, I am watching my own video to see if there is any glitch or something. This is the pamper routine video. It is already up on my channel. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it. I'll add it in the I button and let me know your thoughts on it. Now that all the work and everything is done, I'm gonna go and quickly take a shower and enjoy my delicious lunch. Currently it is 3 p.m. right now and I had lunch really late today. Now I'm just going to relax a bit, so I'm closing all the window and doors of my room and making it dark so I can enjoy Netflix and watch it peacefully. After that I'm gonna take a short 30 minutes power nap. It is almost 5 p.m. right now and I am making milk tea for myself and my mom, and I love having tea at this time. Basically I love especially this time of the whole day. When we were enjoying our tea, I received these 3 packages from Newme. Now let's open it and see what we have in this. And let me tell you guys, I'm not doing any puja shopping this year. Brands are sending me so many pair that I don't even need to buy new clothes. But if you're shopping your festive clothes from Newme, you can use my code GLORIA100 to get 10% off. And yeah, these are the clothes that I received from Newme in PR. At the evening, I did not had any other work to do, so I was just relaxing and editing this video called What I Eat in a Week. This video literally took me ages to edit and export. It is already up on my channel, so please go and watch it and show some love on it. After editing the video, I went straight to do some skincare. Also, I am in my homemade healthy meal and cooking era, and again I am cooking dinner today, and for that I am making white sauce pasta with a lot of cheese. As you can see, it looks and tasted delicious, you guys, so I just couldn't wait and eat my dinner. I had my dinner at 9 p.m. and after that I was just scrolling and watching videos. So this is how my relaxing day looks like, and this is how I have spent my day. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please leave a comment and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.